I think I'm going too slow, sorry. There she is on the phone. Yep. Yeah, I can see a little phone screen. It's an older make of iPhone. She's typing. Quite a lot of typing there. The phone. You see this? Yeah, I'm 6 points. No, so what? Yeah, you're still in the car, you're still in control. You are wearing your seatbelt, albeit badly. Yeah, I don't care. What do we have? LF73YBJ. And what? She'll move off now with the queue. Yep. She's never parked. Whatever she did there, the significance of that button, it makes no difference. One assumes it's some kind of electronic handbrake. But she wasn't handbraked when she started typing. And even if she was on the handbrake, it still makes no difference to what she was doing.